Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So this is the second video of the QlikView playlist. So in this video we will talk about how to utilize the QlikView community. So before directly jumping to that, we will basically know about what is QlikView community first, and then we will directly contribute something towards it, and I will give you overview of how to use it and how it can be benefit to you. So before directly jumping there, in the last video we have talked about how you can download the QlikView setup file. So just go and download it, and in the upcoming video we will directly start with the implementation part. So it's not very tough. So I will show you how to download this also. So the basic search I did is how to download this QlikView desktop app. So this is basically the community page look like. Here you can ask your questions and you can go and read some vlogs here, the forum, the events, everything. So this is the guy who posted that please share the QlikView desktop installation guide if anyone has, thanks. So this is the guy who asked this question, and the people come here and reply. So if this guy replied and he feels that okay, this is the correct thing, he can just like this thing. And similarly, people go, and so I will show you how to contribute. So what I can do is I can just go back to this page, just copy this entire link so that can help that guy to come and install it. So I will just directly write, if you click this reply to topic, it will pop up like this, and if you click this three dot, it will expand your toolbar. You have paragraph, you can write paragraph, headings and everything. This is left align, right align, bullet points, the HTML code for whatever you have written, bold, italic, underline. So it's sort of very basic. You can insert images, you can insert smileys, links. So it's the same sort of thing editor you get everywhere. So the guy name is Manoj, so I will write hi Manoj, and I will just put the link. So I will put this link. So I will just write, you can follow this link to download the setup file. So yeah, you can do that. And just to beautify it, what you can do is you can just pull this thing here and you can make it bold, and yeah, you can do this thing just to be clear this is link. So you can just put it in the bottom, and just to be putting here, just click that this is a link and URL is this only. If you put URL and this is you can put something like download link, or so it will show the download link as a clickable link. So it will show that download link, right? So but if you feel okay, so yeah, if the guy click here, he will redirect to that page automatically. Okay, so I'll just write thanks, and I will just put reply here, and it will take a second. Yeah, now you can see that I am contributor here, so I contributed, and if I click this link, it will redirect me to the another page that is the same page I was talking to, how to download it. Yeah, now you can see, right? I will come back and show you a bit more about this. So how you can, so I didn't wrote it like this happy learning thing, I didn't wrote it. So what I did is, there is an option in this setting tab where you can put your fixed, what to say, title sort of thing in the bottom page. So whenever you put something, it will automatically refresh there. So this is, whenever you click this, it will show your profile and what are the medals you got here. So this is the medals, if you reply 5 replies, you get this medal. If you put some images here, if you give credit to someone, so you get medals. And whatever post you make, so it will show that the post we made here has 2 views. So in 40 seconds 2 people have viewed this thing. So yeah, I guess yeah, that's here. Apart from that, you can just upload your image from clicking here. You can upload image, you can send, you can upload your image, you can send messages here, you can check your notifications from here, drop down this notification part. So whatever notification you will get it here. And apart from that, you can go to setting, and the thing I said you, right, the book, the bottom thing. So yeah, you can come here, you can change. So I won't change here because it's my personal detail, I don't want to show it right now. So the basic idea is the same. You can go and explore how you can like have your personal information and everything. You can close your account also. Yeah, so that's all about this QlikView community side, and in the next video we will directly jump into this QlikView app and we will explore more there. So yeah, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.